Hey babes! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Shannel Morris here. If you haven't already, press that subscribe button down below and that bell button for a notification every time I put up a video. For today's video, I am doing a face cleansing routine. So I'm going through thoroughly on how I clean my face in the morning and in the nighttime and the exact products I use. So let's get straight into it. I am going to put my hair up and get my face all cleaned up. Now that my hair is up, I'm going to start by removing my lashes, and the first product I'm going to use is a Kiehl's product. I got introduced to their brand a couple months ago and I started using a lot of their products, and I kind of got addicted to it because I love how it cleanses my face. The cleanser that I'm going to use is the Corrective Exfoliating Cleanser, and I love this cleanser just because it has a little bit of a beady texture in it and it really gets into cleaning your face very deeply. All the Kiehl's product that I'm using, you can purchase them either in Sephora or you can purchase them at Kiehl's.ca. They are a Canadian brand, so you know, get into it. A little goes a long way with this product. All I have to do is wet my face before and then apply the product to my hand and then just wash my face. Like I said, it has little bead products in there, so it's very easy to get your makeup off. This is just a close-up having the product on my face, and now that everything is all scrubbed, now I get to rinse my face. And that's all I need to remove my entire makeup just in one wash. So that's all I do. So next I'm going to grab my cotton pad to dry my face. I do have very sensitive skin, well, sensitive to normal skin. So therefore it takes a lot of energy and effort to make sure I have like a very clean rag, because no matter what, my face will get small fine bumps on it. So therefore I just get a cotton pad to dry my face. So this is the best solution. So after cleansing my face, I'm going to use my toner. So this toner is actually a Kiehl's brand as well. So when I got my exfoliating cleanser, I got this as a sample to try it out to see it's for all skin types. My skin type is dry to normal. So if you go into Kiehl's, if you do have a local store, you can go and actually they test your skin type to see if you have dry, normal, oily, or whatever skin type you have. So mine is normal to dry, and in the winter time it's a little bit drier than usual. So this is actually water-based. So if you want a water-based toner, you can try this out. It's for all skin types, so no matter what, if you're oily skin or dry skin, you can definitely see if this works for you. So what I do with this toner is I just apply it to my skin, and I just take a cotton pad and I just remove any excess makeup that's on my face. And that is all for my toner. If you do want to try a dark spot corrector, you can try this out. I do have hyperpigmentation around my mouth area, so it's a little bit darker than the rest of my face. So I tried this product from Kiehl's. It's a little bit on the pricier side. I've been using it for the last couple months and it seems to be working for me. It's a dark spot corrector. So I'll also link that in the description box down below for all the products that I use today in this video. So for this corrector, I do apply it all over my face. So to get an even skin tone, I was told by the dermatologist at Kiehl's not to just apply it to the dark spot, but apply an even amount all over my face. So this is what I basically do, and I just massage it into my face. And this goes right before your moisturizer and right after your toner. Next, I am going to moisturize. This moisturizer is a little bit cheaper than your regular facial moisturizer. So I use this in the morning and in the nighttime. So all these products that I'm using today, I actually use them for my morning cleansing routine and my night cleansing routine. So this one is your Cetaphil Daily Hydrating Lotion. Like I said, my skin tone is dry to normal. So I actually love this moisturizer. I just discovered this one. You can get it in Walmart and you can get it also in Shoppers or a drugstore. Whichever drugstore is close by you, you can also look and see if they get it, but Walmart for sure sells this Cetaphil brand. So this Cetaphil brand is for very dry skin. So normal to very dry skin. And I actually used to get the other one for all skin types, but I seem to like this one a little bit better just because it keeps my face moisturized a lot longer and I don't wake up with very dry, like dehydrated skin. So you can definitely try this out, and I do apply it with my hand. I just put a little on my hands and then apply it to my face. If you want to apply it directly to your face, that is fine as well. And I think my face is all clean and I am ready for bed. That is it for my nighttime / morning time face routine. If you do want to try any of these products, I will link them down below in the description box so you can click on them and see more detail on what they entail in the products themselves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, okay? You can also hop over to Instagram and follow me at Shannel Morris. And I want to thank you again for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.